Thank you so much, and all the organizers. So we are going direct to the next speaker, and are you excited to hear about from the next speaker? You have one job after that to do what? To clap after the speaker speaks. So our next speaker is Erastus Muthura. He is a regional director at Equity Bank, opportunities for youth in the financial sector. Karibu sana. I would like to say this. Actually, my first loan to start business, I took it from Equity Bank, 100,000 shillings. They gave it with home chattels. So there's a success story.
Thank you.
And we are 12 years old today.
Thank you.
Karibu sana.
Thank you so much. Let's appreciate our sister. My name is Erastus Muthura. I'm happy to be here. And good afternoon, youth in Africa. Good afternoon, youth. Hey, Mama Queen is shouting more than us. She is more youthful than all of us. Eh? Because being young and is in the heart, that is in the mind. I'm so happy to get this opportunity to briefly just share with you. And thank you for the invitation. Our sister Sarah has really been very aggressive, following up, calling, and making sure that we make this event a success. And even up to yesterday evening, she was still calling to confirm. I like the commitment that I see even in the young leaders. At one point, all of us were young. At one point, all of us were below 35, if we were to go by that definition. And so, whenever I find young people, and whenever they interact with people who are older than them, they should know that you are doing that, we are doing that out of experience, and I like giving back to the community and giving up to the young people, because for a long time, we were being told that these opportunities are coming tomorrow, and we are the leaders of tomorrow, and I used to wonder when I was young whether tomorrow kept changing as a moving target. But I want to say that in Equity Bank, we are part of the people who really believe in young people. I'll just highlight a few things that we have done as the bank, and I think if there's a story that is inspiring, it is a story of Equity Bank, because it started as a small enterprise. At one point, I'm very sure that bank was smaller than some of the businesses you are running. 35 years ago, the bank was just somewhere in a village operating like a kiosk. But now it has grown over the years. A bank that was supposed to be closed down by the regulator has become the largest bank in East and Central Africa. In terms of assets, it was the first bank to break the barrier of 1 trillion Kenya shillings equivalent, and with a customer base of over 14 million customers. And that is courtesy of the support that you have given us. We have spread all across the East Africa region. Recently we went to DRC, and these are opportunities that we are presenting to our young people to take advantage, to come and ride on what the bank is doing based on some of the things that I'm going to mention. We are very passionate about the young people, right from the way we handle education. And quite a number of us are aware that the bank has a foundation, Equity Group Foundation, and it has 6 main pillars. But most of us, they just know about one pillar called education, because we have educated quite a number of graduates, right from class 8 when they finish, and after they finish Form 4, taking them all the way to the university, paying their school fees, giving them pocket money, taking them through mentorship, through leadership skills, and graduating them and preparing them for the world and for the business and for creating more opportunities. And some of us could be seated here and you are beneficiaries of that. We have educated over like 7,000 students, some of which graduated and became doctors, and they came back to work with us, and we have opened for them clinics. We finance them to open clinics. How many of you have seen Equity Afya clinics? And people have been wondering, is it the same bank? Yes, it is us who educated those children. They became doctors, because we take the bright ones from very needy areas in this country. And then after that, they have come back to serve the same community that brought them up. That's why you find that world-class experience that you find in that Equity Afya clinic is the same one you get in the major hospitals, because we brought banking services down to where the people are. We want even to give people a chance to access healthcare that is affordable and quality. We give dignity to our Africans. We are the champions of socio-economic prosperity for the people of Africa. When people were not getting opportunities to bank money and they were being locked out of the system, we say we want to include them so that you open your accounts without anything. We believe in faith. We just needed to have faith that one day you will have the money. And with an ID, you just get an account, and then you can go and work hard and start bringing on board your business and your transactions with us. So we have opportunities there for some of you who are still in school. We have awesome scholarships through our partners. We partner with MasterCard Foundation. We also have another pillar on environment that will really excite you, because we are very particular on doing business in a sustainable way. We are very conscious about the generations that will come in the future, and we don't want our present actions to impact negatively the generations of tomorrow. So we are strong in that, in supporting energy and environment is one of the pillars. And the other pillar, I've mentioned health, I've mentioned education and environment. And the other pillar that I would want to take advantage of, the one that I want to really insist on, is financial inclusion and financial literacy. And what we do is that we mentor people in business free of charge, because we have our partners and we do it through the foundation. And there are some business lessons that you go through and you graduate, not just financial literacy in its basic form, but all the way to business planning, all the way to how to digitize your business, all the way to how to do digital marketing and also market linkages. And we have different partners through which we do that. So when you come together as a group, you can approach the bank through the nearest branch. And we are spread all across the country. We have over 54,000 agents and almost 200 branches where you can access our services. And so you get to be trained as a group, and we also have a mentorship program, business mentorship program. And all these are opportunities available for you so that you can take advantage of them. We work with different partners, and recently there's something you've been seeing in the media about Young Africa Works. And that program, together with MasterCard Foundation, we are planning to, the foundation, MasterCard, they want to ensure that there are 5 million youths that have been trained and also have been given access to finance, are well informed about digital marketing, and also get market linkages. And it is happening over a period of 5 years. So when groups come together and they join and they get trained, then they are given linkages to these opportunities. And all these are opportunities available for you. We have other partners, like mentioned by the Secretary of Youth who was here before. MCEA is Micro and Small Enterprise Authority. They are also our partners. And we also partner with Kenya National Chamber of Commerce. And there are others who are coming on board, like the MSME Alliance, and many others, that you can access the training through the different chapters that they have in different counties. And then after that, we give you the funding. So in terms of the bank, the main partnerships we have and the guarantees, like the one we have with MasterCard Foundation, is to help the young people and also young entrepreneurs, and especially the SMEs, and personally I sit under the SME sector. It's to help you to access finance even when you have challenges with security. Because we know most people, they have that challenge of security, and we have come up with a way of seeing how we can use the guarantees from our partners so that you are able to just partially secure it, and then the other side is taken care of, only if you have a bankable idea. And I think we talked about an idea. Every business starts as an idea. This group started as an idea. So those great ideas that you have, there are many opportunities through financing, and we are trying to make them available to the people. But I want to also tell us to also do our part, because you see the banks, speaking as a sector, they're also heavily regulated. And I know sometimes you get very bitter when you go to financial institutions and you're told you don't qualify because of what somebody mentioned here about entitlement. Do your bit. Keep your records clean. Both the financial records and also the way you handle money. Please don't be found on CRB because you are borrowing from A to pay B so that you can convince D to give you money to pay E. Then you can tell A to wait a bit. Then you throw that telephone line, and then you go and get this, you download this app, and then you are full, you are known in CRB. Somebody told me, hata nikipelekwa CRB kumejaa watu, wacha tukakae huko na wenye wako huko. That means that we have an information sharing where your financial character is reflected if you do well and if you do bad. Please be found on the right side. If your rating is good, then the bank is able to price you and avail some of these guarantees, and then lend you based on your transaction and your idea, not based on the security that you are holding. Finally, we have an opportunity also for those who are in digital innovation and the developers. We were the first people to expose our APIs. So for those of you who want to do digital payments, you want to do collections, our APIs are open through our subsidiary company called FinSouth Africa. And you can easily do your collections, you can do your e-commerce business, and you can do payment collection and many other things through our payment gateway, because payment is a very serious area. The very last one is that we are bringing together also trade missions. Recently on Monday we had the South African business delegation, and they were actually looking for young people who are in innovation and different industries. On Thursday we had one from France, and next month we are taking a group to DRC to go and interact with the people, innovators and other entrepreneurs there, and see how we can do matchmaking through the trust that we have, because they are our customers the other side and you are a customer this other side, and see how you can become like their representative, or how you can also export to Africa. And I think later we'll be told about the opportunities in the free trade area in Africa. So thank you so much, and thank you for the opportunity. We invite you to believe in yourself and to make your idea bankable, and also take a step and take a risk and dream big, because we've got you covered. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's clap for him. Let's clap nicely. I am looking. You have one job. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Erastus. That's quite a mouthful information that could actually help most of us.